Back on moneyafric. This time we want to look at how to go about getting TERO. Okay, you start with you put your address here. Okay, you ask to your phone number, your name, your first name is here, second name, your surname, then your date of birth. Okay, that's 1985, and then okay, let's fix something. Okay, you put your country, make sure you fill very correctly. Okay, and then here you put your Ethereum address, make sure you fill this. Okay, and then click agree, and then this reCAPTCHA you are told to choose this. Can you see now? So you are told to enter the amount of TERO you want to acquire. TERO is represented by MT2. Okay. Your Ether wallet password. Okay. Maybe you want to buy up to 10,000, and then you click buy. I hope you are following. It's not a difficult process. Okay, and then let me show you another thing. This page, the bounty page, that allows you to earn at will. Okay, this is a bounty page, so you can come here, and then you want to see what it's like, so you click go to bounty program, and then here is loading. Okay, and then that takes you on to this website. If you already have an account with these, try and do login, but if you don't, you simply sign up. It's as simple as ABC. Okay, so let us do something smart. Okay, sign up, put in okay, so you put Okay. Oh. Can you see that? So you fill it, sign up as a hunter, you continue, and then you are good to go. You have to go and confirm. You have to go and confirm, so you make sure you confirm that, else you will not be able to log in. Are you following me? So you must confirm. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You see that? So you're fixing your password. Okay, so you come here and then you verify. Are you seeing that? Is that hard? You can see now. After which you see now your account has been activated, so you can log in now. Okay, you can log in. And then can you see now? That's just as simple as that. Now, how does that work? These are all welcoming. So you complete your profile. Now, these are the place where you put your country. I'm a Nigerian. Okay. Okay. I'm a Nigerian. I speak English and I speak Yoruba. I speak Yoruba. Okay. So you put your wallet address here and then you update. Okay. Are you seeing that? Okay. So you can now come here and then you want to find TeroCoin. TeroCoin. You can see now. TeroCoin. So, thank you. In case you have a question, you ask.